Make sure that you have the necessary tools for installation. Inspect the door for installed accessories such as a handle, aluminum bars, or a door closer. These accessories may need to be removed prior to installation and then reinstalled. Inspect the frame and the film for foreign materials. The tape will not attach to silicone, rubber, masking tape, paint, or any oily substance. Make sure the frame is clean and dry. If necessary, use a general purpose cleaner to clean the frame. Cut a 3-inch piece of the attachment to be used as a guide. Lay the guide on the top left vertical side of the door and draw a line marking the outer edge. Then repeat the same for the top horizontal side marking the outer edge. Extend the 2 lines and mark the points of intersection. Repeat this procedure for the 3 remaining corners of the door. Verify that the points of intersection are on a 45-degree line drawn from the inner intersection point of the snap rings. Measure the length between the 2 intersecting points along the vertical side of the door. This is the length of the Z-LOK segment to be installed. Repeat the measurement on the remaining 3 sides of the door. Use a clean, lint-free rag to clean the frame and the film with rubbing alcohol. You are now ready to install the attachment. Normally, vertical sides are installed first top to bottom. Cut the Z-LOK attachment to the measured dimensions. On the vertical side, starting at the top left corner, cut the wide leg of the Z-LOK segment at 45 degrees. Make sure not to cut the flexible membrane. Now cut the narrow leg and the flexible membrane straight to the heel of the previous 45-degree cut. Now cut the narrow leg at 45 degrees. If necessary, notch the leg on the film side to clear the gasket. If the snap ring is rectangular, the frame side wide leg is installed first. If the snap ring is on an angle, the film side narrow leg is installed first. Using a knife, peel off 2 inches of the tape liner on the film side and press into place. Make sure the tape clears the gasket. The top must be aligned with the top intersecting point, and the bottom must be aligned with the lower intersecting point. Do not touch the tape with your hands. Continue to peel off 3 to 6 inches at a time until the entire side is attached. Using the applicator tool, press the top 2 inches from the bottom upward. Starting at the center, using the roller or the applicator, apply consistent and adequate pressure on one direction to establish full contact between the tape and the frame. Repeat in the opposite direction. Make sure the interior edge of the tape near the gasket is pressed in. At the top, on the frame side, pull back the edge of the attachment and peel the liner off the top 2 inches with a knife and press into place. Avoid stretching the attachment during installation. Repeat the process on the opposite side. Repeat the same procedure to install the horizontal sides. Make sure to utilize the built-in guide to ensure proper installation. If necessary, black silicone can be applied to tidy the corners. Never try to remove the attachment once it is installed. This is how it should look.